Candidates. So, hi.
So finally, Miss doesn't like people who try too hard. Let's see if I pass the test.
Yes, nahi, it's just normal conversation.
I'm pretty sure I can impress you. So, what made you sidetracked?
Your photo seem normal and you look pretty sorted, so I thought.
Yeah, I get that a lot, but I'm, pretty sorted guy.
Yeah, so what exactly you do for living? Like what work you do?
I'm into consulting, heavy stuff. Not everyone can handle that. Mm. But I manage gym, work, work-life balance thing.
Good.
And are you into marketing?
Yes, content side.
Nice. Creative people are fun, but not practical.
That depends person to person.
Yeah, obviously I'm saying that. So, what are you looking for? Long-term, casual, or what?
Something more serious eventually.
But I'm very selective. I don't settle.
Good for you.
I don't think compatibility is about lifestyle also. I want someone who can keep up with me.
Keep up as in
Like energy, ambition, goals, like that stuff. You don't talk too much.
I only talk when the conversation feels more natural than fake.
Ouch. Noted. So you date a lot. Yes.
No.
Same actually. I'm very focused. Goal oriented.
Good for you.
That was quick. You don't like me?
I like your energy, your confidence, but I think we are different. I should go now.
Yeah, sure. I was low-key hoping कि तुम पहले आ जाओ so I don't have to spot the person thing.
Same. I always wonder I'll wave at the wrong person.
Has happened?
Yes, once, and it was very embarrassing.
Okay, good. So I'm not into this alone.
Uh,
I'm glad it cancelled though.
I almost did.
Same.
Really?
Yeah, first meets are weird. You don't know if it will be great or you have to stuck for 40 minutes trying to figure out how I can go.
Exactly.
So far, I think we are safe.
Too early to say that.
Fair, I will earn that. So, content, right?
Yeah.
What time?
Mostly B2B stuff.
Acha, okay. So, you are the reason LinkedIn feels like everyone is having a thought leadership.
Please don't blame me for that.
I'm kidding. But must be interesting, right? Trying to make serious topics not boring.
Yes, that's literally the job.
Do you enjoy it?
Honestly, it depends on the client.
That's a diplomatic answer.
Okay, fine. Half times it's repetitive.
I get that. Even my work look fancy from the outside, but day to day is mostly same patterns.
What do you do exactly?
Consulting, which basically means I make slides and I have to show that they are very important.
Okay, that's the most honest description I've ever heard.
I have stopped trying to make it cooler. You are quieter on the chat.
I take time.
Yeah, I can see that.
You're easier person to talk with.
I will take that.
Yes, honestly, I thought it's more intimidating.
Why? Your profile doesn't look like people who try too hard. I was like, okay, high risk.
Beg.
But I think it just means that you are like normal conversations.
Yeah, exactly.
Same. So, what are you looking for exactly here?
Something eventually?
Same actually. I'm not rushing, but I'm also not into random dates.
Yeah,
I would rather meet few people, but properly.
that makes sense.
So far, this feels like one of the better decisions.
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad. It's a compliment, I think.
It is.
Wait, it's been more than half an hour.
Yeah, already.
No, I didn't. Yeah, I didn't feel like it.
No, it didn't feel like that exactly. I
We can do this again, right?
Definitely. It's good meeting you.
Good meeting you.
When we saw the first two characters, Nishi and Devansh, what was happening? Can someone tell?
So he was like sociabazi apne mein. He doesn't care about the other person. वो अपना होता है. He was like that.
Self-centered
And she didn't
ghosting.
feel comfortable.
Self-centered and boastful.
Yes.
Like the principle is different. He wants casual, she is looking for something serious. It doesn't match.
And that person is only talking about himself
Himself,
more
himself.
like कि मैंने ये किया है, मैंने वो किया है, self-centered.
और आपको उस कैरेक्टर में कैसा लगा?
नहीं, पहले वाले तो अच्छा नहीं जबरदस्ती घुस रहा था मतलब. It felt like forcing.
Forcing.
Yeah.
It was not genuine. We have to listen to be listened.
Right.
This was the idea.
Correct. अब second conversation में कैसा feel हुआ?
There was a lot of mutual respect between both of them. And that is very important. Both were carrying the conversation.
Click होना चाहिए. वो
Click होना चाहिए.
And then there was enough listening कि सामने वाला बंदा क्या रहा है to understand what you even mean.
Also, it seemed like both of them actually genuinely care about knowing the other person, not just showing
हाँ, अभी अपनी बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. उसकी भी सुनना चाहिए.
I found it very interesting when आयुष ने पहले कुछ पूछा था कि you are not very chatty, then first response में उसका आंसर था कि when the conversation is interesting, so she is also like putting her guards up. But in the next time he asks as a nice person, she is like, I take a little time. So she is more open to the conversation.
She matched up energy both the times.
Yes, it was much more open.
The second guy made her feel safe to open. With his aura.
Exactly. So, जो second date में हुआ, वो हमें हमारे लिए करना है. कैसे करना है? Not every B2B SaaS company is a good client for us. And we also as an agency are not a good fit for everyone. ठीक है? लेकिन हमें अपना inbound ऐसे करना है कि जब वो हमारे पास आ रहे हैं, the first meeting should feel like a date. अब हम ये कैसे करेंगे? So that is what our whole discussion today to be about.
Let's go.
दिल से दिल तक. हाँ, दिल से दिल तक.
Deal तक.
हाँ,
अगर फेल से नहीं, हाँ.
inbound से deal तक.
Right.